Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Varsity School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is matching and TF, that means true and false, from lesson 17. My dear students, from lesson 17. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 5 and SW number 5. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn matching and true and false from lesson 17. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written matching. You can see here two types of sentence, left side and right side. We have to match all of the left side sentence with right side sentences. So my dear students, let's start. At first we will learn matching. My dear students, our first number sentence is Maryam. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, our answer will be Maryam was very conscious of Allah. So my dear students, now we are matching. That means A will be matched with number E. A will be matched with number E, my dear students. Now we are matching. Sorry, my dear students. Number 1 will be matched with number E. So our answer will be Maryam was very conscious of Allah. Now my dear students, number 2, sentence number 2, Maryam gave birth Isa alayhi salam. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, you know that Maryam gave birth Isa alayhi salam under a palm tree. So our answer will be 2 will be matched with number A. 2 will be matched with number A. Now my dear students, number 3, Allah gave Isa alayhi salam. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, Allah gave Isa alayhi salam a holy book called to the angels. So number 3 will be matched with number B. So number 3 will be matched with number B. Now my dear students, number 4, Isa alayhi salam was not. What will be the answer? Yes, Isa alayhi salam was not a god. So number 4 will be matched with number 3. We are matching number 4 with number C. Now my dear students, number 5, Isa alayhi salam could bring the dead to life. Isa alayhi salam could bring the dead to life. What will be the answer? Yes, only D left. Isa alayhi salam could bring the dead to life by Allah's leave. So number 5 will be matched with number D. I'm matching number 5 with number D. So my dear students, number 5 will be matched with number D. My dear students, we have matched the matching, cross matching. If you wish that you can match, you can also match by side. Okay, my dear students, now we will learn true or false. True or false from lesson 70, page number 37. From lesson matching from lesson 17, from page number 37. Okay, my dear students, now we will learn true or false. Look at the number 1. Isa alayhi salam was the son of Maryam. Is it true or false? Yes, this is a true statement. In this regard, our answer will be true. So now I am writing true, T-R-U-E, true. Okay, now number 2, Isa alayhi salam was not the son of God. Yes, this is a true statement because Isa alayhi salam was a prophet. Isa alayhi salam was not the son of God. In this regard, the answer will be true. Now I am writing the answer true, T-R-U-E, true. Now number 3, Allah has no child. Yes, because my dear students, you know that Allah has no child. In this regard, our answer will be true. So I am writing the answer true. Now number 4, Isa alayhi salam could bring sight to the blind by his own will. What will be the answer? Our answer will be false, because Isa alayhi salam could bring sight to the blind by Allah's will. In this regard, our answer will be false. But here is written to the blind by his own will. Here is written false statement. So I am writing the answer false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now my dear students, number 5 and last number, Isa alayhi salam was a prophet, not a god. Yes, Isa alayhi salam was a prophet, not a god. In this regard, our answer will be true. So I am writing the answer true, T-R-U-E, true. Okay, my dear students, alhamdulillah, we have learned matching and true or false. My dear students, we have learned matching and true or false from lesson 17, from page number 37. And my dear students, look at the board again. This is you raise W number 5, and you will make SW at your home TF, that means true or false from 1 to 5. You will make SW at your home from true or false from 1 to 5. In this regard, only true or false. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, no more today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.